guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I went to the works and I got two things. I got a squishmellow for a surprise, and I got a vending machine. So let's open this one first. Okay. Oh wait, it's just a Christmas themed because it said in the shop it was Christmas. Okay, so the one I want. Oh wait, there's really no options, but I want one that has either gingerbread or a reindeer. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay. It's a cow. I can feel the ears. Excuse me. I'm right. Oh my god, it is a gingerbread one. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, it's little, like, there's a bow tie. That's really cute. Okay, now. Where's we go? Big one. Just open it. Okay. Okay, let's do it. So I think they're just like little glow toad stuff. You didn't even see anything there. Like toad stuff. Like little toadstool things. So let's open it. Okay, so Chris, got it? Okay, let's open. I hope it's a pink one. Oh, okay, anyways, I got that. It's a big one. It's a big one. It's a big one. I'm so good. So good. Big one. Big one. And pink one. So cute. I'm gonna put them there. Then I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna do like 3. Let's see. Wait, I think it's gonna be orange one. Like brown, I don't know. I'm just amazing. How am I getting these off? How am I getting this off to a purple one? Oh my god. A purple one and a brown one. Oak. Okay. Wait, why am I putting them back in there? I'm putting it in. You probably can't see, but I'm putting them like right now. And then I'm gonna do. I think speed. Tall one and a red one. You know what it is? I mean, I didn't get the red part, but. It's tall, but yellow one. But oh my god. Anyways, that's all for today. But I'm here with my gang, bro. I'm here with my gang. Like yeah, here with my gang. Like yeah, like yeah. Anyways, that's it for today. Bye.